Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain how to record and parameterize a TruClient script. I will use WebTower's application to explain that. So the first thing to do is to create a new script and solution. I click New Script and Solution. I select TruClient Web. I give a name to the script. I give a name to the solution. I click Create. As you can see, the browser selection box and the develop scripts button are added to the toolbar. In the browser selection button, I have to select a browser. For my example, I select TruClient browser. I click develop scripts. As you can see, on the left side we have the development window, and on the right side we have the browser. So I will record a business process, and to start recording, I click start recording button. I drag the URL enter username toujours, enter password bin, click login, click flights, select a departure city, select an arrival city, select a seating preference, check round trip tickets, click continue, select a flight, click continue, enter a credit card, an expiration date, click continue. I click sign off. I stop the recording. The next step is to replay the script to see if there are any errors. So I click replay. Okay, there are no errors. The next task is script parameterization. So I go to step 1. I open the step editor. I display arguments. I select P like parameter. And I create a new parameter. I give a name to the parameter. I click OK. I go to step 3. I display the arguments. I select P. and create a parameter. I give a name to the parameter. I click OK. I go to step 5. I select P. And I create a parameter. I give a name to the parameter. I click OK. I go to step 8. I display argument. At the step 8 we have a list box object. A list of objects have two arguments, text and ordinal. Text is the selected string, this value is optional, and ordinal is the order of the selected item in the list. And an ordinal value of 0 generates a random value. So I use this technique to parameterize this value. So I clear text and so as you can see, select a random option from the participant list box when I put 0 in ordinal value. Okay, I will make the same change at the 69. For step 10, I use another technique to parameterize. So I open the step editor. I go to Objects. For ID method, I select Descriptors. I click here to edit descriptor. And I want to parameterize value property. So I select JS. I replace window by tc.getParam. I have to create sales brief in Fusion, so I click OK. I go to Fusion. I open the parameter list dialog. I click on New. I click on Save. For step 11, we have a checkbox object. First, I have to change click action to set action. So I open the step editor. I go to step and I select set. I copy this step and I paste this step. passed after. Rechange arguments, false. I want to add an if block step, so I go to step and I click flow control. I drag if block and drop it here. I want to add a condition, so I click on JS, and condition is gc dot okay. I click at else. So if the condition is true, I will check the round trip ticket checkbox. If not, I will uncheck the round trip ticket checkbox. So the next step is to create parameter round trip in Inversion. So I go to Inversion, new, I click on save. For step 13, I open the step editor. I go to object. For ID method, I select descriptors. I click here to edit descriptor, and I uncheck value, and I check use random ordinary LoadRunner. Okay. Let's try to run this script for 2 iterations. So I go to Fusion, open runtime setting, and I put 2, number of iteration. I click save, and I run the script. Now let's see what happened on each iteration. To do that, I click on snapshot view. I click here, and I want to go, for example, to step 12. I am on step 12. I click on continue. As you can see, I select a random value here and a random value here, and for setting preference I select the first one and I check round trip ticket. Now let's go to iteration 2. Well, you can see that I select window for setting preference and I uncheck random trip ticket.